Hey guys, Scribber Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and Tristan's using this Hoover here.
Yeah, I just bought off of him for 20 bucks. I like this thing.
Yes, it does. And it lights up really bright.
Yeah, it does. Very nice.
Alright, again with this Hoover, Tristan and I came up with this little gimmick here because that thing blows a lot of dust. So
yeah,
we put my Model 35's bag on here and it actually works. So here we go.
Okay. Oh my god, it does. Man, that's weird.
Works though.
Yeah, it does.
And it actually matches. It matches.
Yeah, it does. It's actually quiet. Man, it does work.
Yeah, isn't that neat? So Tristan's going to be buying a disposable setup for it once he gets it back to Texas with him.
Yes.
So he's gonna keep that setup though because it's original.
There we go. There's
so, yeah,
your
here's
bag.
my bag again.
And then now we gotta